Hello guys, this time I'm gonna make the fastest to go to the end. So that's why we prepare. So already prepared for everything to go really fast. This is how do we go really fast. Or we can put down here to the woods. Now let's go. Okay. Now let's go. Reverse. It's kind of fast, really fast than I thought. No. 1, 2, 1. I know what. Nothing. Ouch. Ow. Oh, no. No. Go. Go. Oh my gosh, no. No. Not the lighthouse. Not. Oh man. Let me eat this. There you go. Now that's how do we go to the end of this place. Let me just go a bit. I can lag to the wall. Oh, there you go. Okay, now release. Uh-oh. Okay guys, I literally go to back. Never mind. That's how do we do it. Oh well. We'll try that again. Let's try that again. Let's go try that again. Let's go try that again. So guys, let's go. Right, but I need to go really easy. Okay, here, and here. Now let's go. Whoa, boom. Now that's fast, really fast. Rolling up, boom. Oh, nice. Now we're at the end. Now let's go. Okay, release. Ooh, wow. How do I get a lot of gold? Kali? How do I get a lot of gold? How do I get 100 gold when I do like that? What? I get 100 gold, but how do I do that, Kelly? Is this magic? Look at this. 1 billion gold. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna be rich. Right, Kelly? Look at this. I have 1 billion gold. Wow, this is gonna be awesome. Wow, this is it. Wow, it's like keep going, I guess. It still keep going. How do I do that? Wait, where's my... How do I do this? I don't get it. How do I get this 100,000 gold? Oh my gosh, that's weird. I don't get it. Kelly, that's weird, right? I get like so many gold. Wow, that's awesome. That's so awesome. That's really awesome, guys. Hey guys, that was the end of the video. See ya, guys. See ya tomorrow.